Good morning. I'm hoping we can talk about your smoking habits today if that's something you're comfortable talking about.
Sure, we can talk about it.
Great. So to start, can you just tell me how many cigarettes you smoke right now? Would you say it's a pack a day, maybe more, maybe less?
I would say it's about a pack and a half a day.
Okay. And may I ask how long you've been smoking for?
I've probably been smoking for about 8 years.
Okay. And I just wanted to check and make sure you understand that the best thing for your oral health and your overall health is to quit smoking. Smoking can lead to cancer and many other problems in your mouth. Can you tell me any changes you noticed about your oral health or any general health since you started smoking?
I've noticed that my mouth is a little drier now and my breath is a little worse than I would like it to be. I understand that smoking is bad for me, but when I've tried to quit in the past, I've had a very difficult time.
So the dry mouth and the bad breath you were noticing are all side effects of smoking, and these side effects can continue to progress if you continue to smoke. I understand that it is very difficult to stop smoking, and I applaud you for trying to quit in the past because it can be incredibly stressful. Can I just ask, was there anything specific that made you want to quit at that time, and what made you relapse?
Well, I've been wanting to quit for a while because I know it's not good for my health, and smoking near my family is bad for their health also. But it just gets extremely stressful and it's difficult to ignore the cravings.
I completely understand. It can be incredibly stressful, especially when you're trying to protect yourself and your family. I just want to let you know you're not the only one who feels this way when you're trying to quit, but you do seem to want to quit to better your overall health. So can I just ask you, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being very of little importance and 10 being very important, how important is it for you to consider quitting smoking sooner rather than later?
I would say about an 8. I want to be healthy for my family. I do not like them seeing me like this.
Okay. Well, an 8 is very high, so that's great to hear. And having your family as a goal is extremely helpful in the quitting process, as they can be there to support you if you need it. Knowing how important this is to you, I just want to ask, would you be willing to set a quit date anytime soon or in the next 30 days? Is that something you would want to try?
That seems fast, but I guess there really is no perfect time to quit, so I guess I could try it out.
Well, I'm happy to hear you're interested in trying to quit in the next little bit. I know you mentioned it's been difficult for you in the past, so I just wanted to recommend to you some things that there are to help. There are some over-the-counter options such as the patch, gum, lozenges, inhalers, and if you really want, you can go to a doctor and get a prescription. Would you be interested in any of these?
I really don't want to go on any medications, but all the OTC stuff might be something I'd look into.
Well, I have this list here for you of all the over-the-counter products that you can try. Um, they're all very effective and they can help you on this journey. On this sheet, it just kind of has the main over-the-counter products, where you can find them, the average prices, if money is a concern for you at all. So here's that.
Thank you.
I also just want to let you know about a few other services that could help. There are some tobacco cessation groups and telephone helplines. And I have some pamphlets for you that you can take home to look at information if you feel like you might want to look into those further. And I understand it can be nice to talk to other people about what you're going through.
I didn't realize these services were a thing, so I'm happy to hear about them and I'll consider looking into them.
Have you thought of a quit date you'd like to make it a goal to quit smoking by?
Well, I know it will be hard, but my daughter's birthday is just over a month away, and I know she doesn't like how much I smoke. So I think my goal might be to quit by her birthday as a little surprise. So I'd like to maybe start an attempt to quit in 2 weeks. So I have time to get some of the OTC stuff you mentioned and look into the group support.
I'm very happy to hear that. I applaud you for making this decision, and I just want to summarize what we talked about today. that you want to try some over-the-counter things, maybe some of the group tobacco cessation groups, and you want to set a quit date for about 2 weeks so that you'll be hopefully have quit by the time it's your daughter's birthday. And I look forward to seeing you progress in this journey. And if you have no more questions, I think we're good to go.
Okay, thank you.